Why do scientists think that hummingbirds hum? Because they can't remember all the words. All right, friends, today is going to be a challenge. A good challenge, but it will be a challenge. I will let you know that. All right, let's take a look at our slideshow for today. Slideshow, play from current slide. Today is lesson 4. So continue to research more about different types of birds and sketch them. We're actually going to be creating our mystery riddle, number 4. So it is your turn now. So you don't have to use these birds. You can, they're just examples, but you're gonna pick a bird and you're gonna do a mystery riddle. So for your mystery riddle, we are gonna do the same outline as if we just did. So let's first take a look at our learning target. Let's look at the yellow shape. I can research information about birds to create mystery riddle number 4. All right, reload. Let's take a look at the pink text. I can draw a sketch of my expert bird that shows my understanding of placement and details. Awesome job, guys. So let's take a look at our bird notes. We are going to pick a bird and you are going to write your bird notes. So first you're going to write your bird notes and then you're going to create your mystery riddle. So what bird did you choose? What bird did you choose? So think of a bird. I am providing you. There'll be a little link. Let me stop sharing right here. I'm going to share my Google because I've provided, oh, that's not it. Stop share. Let me see. It's not it either. Okay, let's see. Stop share. Here we go. Okay, so there's a link. You click on the link and it's gonna look like this. I just typed in Google different types of birds. And do you see all of these birds? Do you see how there's an arrow right here? What you're gonna do is you're gonna slide over. So you can slide fast, you can slide slow. I want you to pick one of these birds. When you see a bird that you like, that interests you, pick it. So you can pick something new, something old. If you have another bird in mind, you can pick that as well. I'm gonna pick, I think I'm gonna pick a bird of paradise. So I'm gonna click on this bird of paradise and take a look. When I click on it, there's videos. There's images. I can come down here and it says bird of paradise. I can click that. Wikipedia has all this information about bird of paradise. So what you're gonna do, what would be easier is if your parents aren't there to kind of help you, watch a video, watch maybe even a few videos, and you're gonna find out some facts. So say if I picked a bird of paradise, I'm gonna then come back to my other page. Let's see, I'm gonna come back to this page and I'm gonna answer it similar to what we just did with our notes. So 1, bird of paradise, bird of paradise. You can pick whatever bird you want though. Then I'm gonna answer 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, and then 4. I'm gonna draw a picture of our bird, label beak, feet, and feathers. And then afterwards, we're going to, if that's where you get today, that's completely fine. But we are gonna try to go ahead and create that mystery riddle. So take a look. Mystery riddle number 1. Let's take a look at the layout. This bird has humongous wings with large feathers. The feathers give the bird shade so it can see into the water to find fish to eat. This bird has a long stabbing beak. It uses its long beak to reach deep into the water to get fish. So let's take a look at mystery riddle number 2, the layout. This bird, hold on friends, while he's ringing his bell to go outside. Come on, Molly. Go on. All right. It says this bird has thick feathers. The feathers help to protect the bird from the hot sun so it does not burn their skin. This bird has very wide wings. It uses its wings to soar effortlessly through the sky so it can search the ground below for food. All right, let's take a look at mystery riddle number 3. This bird has bright and colorful feathers and a long tail. It has a heavy and sharp beak. Its beak helps it crush seeds and cut through fleshy fruit. This bird has gripping toes to grab onto branches or to grab fruit or nuts. So we're going to use this information on our bird notes to then create a mystery riddle. So I'm going to put these three pictures, or well, riddles, riddle 1, riddle 2, and riddle 3, onto the website page so that way you guys can see them. So rather than watching the video, that way you can kind of see them all together and scroll up and scroll down. I'm going to put this and also a picture of the bird notes. So first, answer your bird notes. Then I'm going to create with you right now a document that's going to help you plug in your answers. So we know that we have a bird. I picked the bird of paradise. You guys can pick whatever bird interests you though. And so there's heavy and sharp beak, for this one, the macaw, we talked about its heavy and sharp beak and its gripping toes. So you're gonna say, this bird, let me actually come up to a Word document. We're gonna make a new Word document. And let's see, I would love for you guys to see this. All right, so take a look. We're gonna put mystery riddle number 4. That is what you are creating. I'm gonna make it to the middle of the page. And this just needs to go in your composition notebook. So you need your outline and a mystery riddle. So mystery riddle, you're going to put, rather than 1, 2, 3, you are actually going to write it like this. Change this to black. You're gonna write, because if we looked at those mystery riddles, it said, this bird has blank. So that's gonna be your 2A answer, right? And then you're gonna write your 3A. 3A answer, right? So, mystery riddle. So I'm gonna use the macaw since it was the last one that we actually did. I have my composition notebook open up to the outline, and I'm just gonna use this as an example. So this bird has, and it says 2A answer. So on 2A, I put heavy and sharp beak. Then on 3A, I explained about the beak. So its beak helps it to crush seeds and cut through fleshy fruit. Then I'm going to put this bird has, and then we're going to do the same thing, 2B answer. And then I'm going to put 3A answer. All right, so throughout the week, you've been working on this. So this bird, we're gonna use the macaw once more. So if you wanna open up to the page where it says EL4-22, that will help. So this bird has 2A answers. So I'm gonna say heavy and sharp beak. And then the next line, it says 3 answer. On 3A, we wrote, its beak helps it to crush seeds and cut through fleshy fruit. Now let's take a look at the next line. It says, this bird has, and it says 2B answer. 2B, I put gripping toes. This bird has gripping toes, and then it says 3B answer. This bird has gripping toes to grab onto branches or to grab fruit and nuts. What is my bird? Awesome. So after this, you are then going to draw an image and label it. Label feet, beak, feathers, wings. All right, guys, I know this is kind of difficult. it would be better if I could check your work, but I can't. So I'm going to take a picture of this and I will provide this on the website as well. I want you to do your best and think about it. It might be like Austin's first draft. You might have to come back and redo it, okay? So don't get disappointed if you have to come back and redo it, okay?